Jen from JVI Secret Gardens. On this episode, we're going to talk about how to prepare your garden, your perennial garden, for winter. The first thing you're going to want to stop doing is fertilizing. Right now your plants are kind of preparing themselves for the cold. By fertilizing them, especially with your liquid fertilizers, you're pushing new growth, which can get damaged pretty quickly. If you still have a few spaces in your perennial garden that need to be filled, by getting perennials, trees, and shrubs in the ground now, you're giving them a little bit of time to prepare for the winter. Not to mention, once spring rolls around, they're ready to go. As we head into winter, you do want to water your perennial garden at least once a month. Damper soil offers more insulation to your plant's roots than dry soil. Most perennials, when they're dormant, you can cut back to about 6 to 8 inches. This daylily isn't quite dormant yet, but I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of how you would cut it back. Like I said, most perennials are cool with being cut back 6 to 8 inches. 6 to 8 inches. Bam! You'll know that your perennials are mostly dormant when they turn brown and pretty much look dead, but you'll know that they're not dead because if you dig up the roots will still be intact and fleshy looking. We still have some time to get perennials, trees, and shrubs in the ground, so be sure to stop by the garden center soon. Some of your favorite perennials might even be on sale. We also have mulch and soil amendments to get your garden ready for the spring. Be sure to follow our Instagram and Facebook pages and check out our YouTube channel. We have more garden guide videos, see what Derek and his crew are up to, and come and see us soon. You do want to water your perennial garden at least once a month. It is better for the